Hello students, hope you all are fine at your home and preparing for your final exam. Welcome to your maths class. Today in the first part of the video, we will learn some more properties of division. And then we will move on to our next portion, that is mental maths. So first we will learn the properties of division. The first property is that when we divide a number by 1, the quotient, that is the answer, is the number itself. You can see that here I have divided 8 with 1 and my quotient or the answer is 8. So, any number divided by 1 will give the answer or the quotient as the number itself. Now, you divide 12 divided by 1, the answer is 12. Now, next property is when we divide a number by itself, the quotient is 1. Here you can see I have divided 11 with 11 and my answer or the quotient is 1. Similarly, if you divide here with another number like 25 divided by 25, answer will be 1. So, when we divide a number by itself, the answer is 1. The next property is that when we divide 0 by any number, the quotient is always 0. Again I am saying when we divide 0 by any number, the quotient is always 0. Here you can see I have divided 0 with 9 and my answer is 0. The last property is that division by 0 is not possible. Division by 0 is not possible. See, 6 divided by 0 is not possible. So, in any case, we cannot put 0 as a divisor. Now, let's come to the second part of the video, that is today's mental maths class. So, today's mental maths questions. Number 1, when we divide a number by itself, the quotient is dash. Number 2, is division by 0 possible? You have to tick whether yes or no. Number 3 question, if 20 books are distributed equally among 5 friends, then each will get dash books. Listen carefully children. If 20 books are distributed equally among 5 friends, then each will get dash books. So, give stress on the word distributed equally. So, what you have to do here children? Yes, you have to divide here. Next question is 4, question number 4. In 16 divided by 8 equals to 2, you have to mention which is the divisor, which is the dividend and which is the quotient in this division fact. Next, coming to question number 5. 56 divided by dash equals to 7. This you can easily find out from the multiplication table. Number 6, half of 2 is dash. And number 7, 80 divided by 8 into 25 divided by 5 equals to dash. In this question, first you have to do both the division and from the answer you have to multiply. The answers from the division you have to multiply and get the answer. The last question, question number 8. A cycle shop has 144 tricycles and 276 bicycles in all. How many wheels are there in total? Students, I know that you know a tricycle has how many wheels and a bicycle has how many wheels. So, what you have to do? Yes. So, first you have to find out the total wheels of all the tricycles and total wheels of all the bicycles, and then you have to do addition. So, do it. So, children, you have to copy all the questions from question number 1 to 8 of mental maths and try to solve them in your school copy. Hope you have understood the things. Goodbye.